Welcome to another video. Today, we'll be discussing the behavior of the photo eye object in FlexSim. The photo eye is used to simulate a real-world photoelectric sensor. Whenever an item crosses its detection area, it can trigger specific actions in the simulation, like stopping a conveyor, activating a diverter, starting a timer, or running custom logic. Now, let's look at how the photo eye behaves in a model. It can be in one of four states: cleared, blocking, blocked, and clearing. At the beginning of the simulation, the photo eye is typically in the cleared state, which simply means that nothing is currently blocking the sensor. As soon as an item enters its sensing area, the photo eye changes to the blocking state. At this point, a countdown called block time begins. If the item stays in the sensor area long enough for the block time to complete, the photo eye switches to the blocked state, and the on-block trigger is activated. But if the item moves away before the block time completes, the sensor doesn't go to blocked. Instead, it resets back to cleared. Once the item leaves, the sensor enters the clearing state and starts the clear time countdown. If another item enters the sensing area before the clear time ends, it immediately goes back to the blocked state. However, if no new item interrupts the countdown, the clear time finishes, the on-clear trigger is fired, and the photo eye returns to the cleared state. So, that's the basic flow. The photo eye keeps switching between these states based on how items interact with it, and these transitions can be used to trigger important logic in your model. We hope this explanation helped you understand how the photo eye works in FlexSim, especially how its states change and how the triggers behave. If you're just getting started with FlexSim and want to build a solid foundation, do check out our Basic FlexSim Training, a beginner-friendly, self-paced course that covers everything you need to know to start building your own simulation models with confidence. Check out the full details on our website. We'd love to have you on board. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy simulating.